Now the next terminology is account. What is account? Account means one particular nature of transactions which is recorded in the books of account. If it is shown at one particular place, then it is known as ledger, it is known as classification, it is also known as account. Numerous transactions happen in the business, numerous transactions. After recording the transaction, we classify those transactions. We already discussed about the classifications. We classify those transactions. Under this classification process, the one particular nature of transaction, if it is recorded or shown at one particular place, then it is called account. For instance, X is the customer of our business. Mr. X is one of the customer of our business. So related to Mr. X, all the information is shown at one particular place, then it is called X account. For example, X account. X is one of the customer. X account. Abbreviated form of account is A/C. Abbreviated form of account A/C. So suppose X is our customer, and regarding X, all information related to X, if it is shown at one particular place, then it is called ledger, it is called account. Account of X. The format of ledger is very simple. Format of ledger, we divide the space from the center. This side, your left hand side, date, particular, journal folio, JF. We'll discuss later on about JF in detail. Amount in rupees. This side is your called debit side. They are the two sides of the ledger. Same thing, your right hand side, we are going to repeat date, particular, JF and amount. This side is called credit side. Date, particular, journal folio and amount. Same thing I have repeated in the right side as well as what I have written in the left hand side. Date, particular, JF, amount. This is the item in the left hand side, and this is the same thing in the right hand side. This is the format of a ledger, this is the format of an account. So all the information of X, transaction done with the X, will be shown at one particular place, then it is known as ledger of X. You can say it is an account of X. Similarly, so many ledger we prepare in our books of accounts, so many accounts we prepare. For instance, all the information regarding cash at one place, then it is called cash account. Sales, then sales account. Purchase, then purchase account. Plant and machinery will be shown at one place, then it is the ledger of plant and machinery. Furniture and fixture and fixture is shown at one particular place, then it is called furniture fixture ledger, furniture fixture account. Depreciation account, your wages account, salary account, advertisement account, stationery account. These all are account. Means if I am talking about cash, if the information of cash will be shown at one particular place, then it is called cash account. Similarly, information regarding the sales will be shown at one particular place in this format of ledger, then it is called sales account. Similarly, purchase, plant and machinery, furniture and fixture, depreciation, wages, salary, advertisement, stationery, investments. So one particular nature of transaction, if it is shown at one particular place, then it is called account. Okay. So number of accounts we maintain in our books of accounts. Number of accounts we maintain. So first we record the transaction, and after recording the transaction we classify it as per the nature of the transaction. We classify it. So every nature will be at one place. So information related to wages will be shown at one place. Information related to salary will be shown at one place. Information related to sales will be shown at one place. Information related to purchase will be shown at one place. Information related to any customer, suppose Mr. Sohan is one of the customers, and business sold goods to Mr. Sohan throughout the year, and Sohan has returned the amount, paid the amount. So we will prepare the ledger of Sohan account. We will prepare the ledger of Sohan account. So all the information will be shown over here. This side is debit, this side is credit. From the center you divide the space. Both side space will be the same, equal space. So date particular JF amount, again date particular JF amount. We record some transaction this side to and this side by writing by. We'll discuss in detail about the posting, how to post in the ledger. We'll discuss in detail when we'll discuss about the ledger in details. So if you are going to prepare the wages account, then we'll write the wages over here, wages account. So all information of wages will be shown over here. If you are going to prepare the advertisement account, then we'll write advertisement account. Depreciation account, all the information of depreciation, if it is shown at one place, then it is called the ledger of depreciation, like this. So account means a specific nature of transactions. When it is shown after recording, when it is shown at one place, then it is called ledger. It is shown at one place in a specific format. This is the format of a ledger. This is the format of a ledger which has the two sides, debit side and credit side. So if you want to know the information about the depreciation, you just turn the page and see the ledger of depreciation. You will find the detail about the depreciation in this ledger. If you want to see the cash, information regarding cash, then you see the ledger of cash. All the information of cash will be shown over here. It is shown at one place. So no need to go here and there to find out the cash transactions. If you want to know the cash transaction specifically, then you see the ledger of cash, see the account of cash. You will get it at what amount, what was the opening balance, what is the closing balance, how much cash comes, in which date the cash comes in the business, in which date cash goes out from the business. Everything, all details you will get it in that ledger of cash. So this is called account. Is it clear? So account means classification. It is also called ledger.